Pretty Little Liars fans, some exciting news is here. The official character descriptions for the new spin-off series Ravenswood are out, and we're already wondering who will be selected to take on the ABC family roles. As a reminder, Ravenswood is about 5 strangers who are suddenly connected by a fatal curse that haunts their city. So they all start doing some digging into the history of the town before it's too late. Now, too late for what exactly, we don't know. But the first character description is for Miranda. She's a feisty, disarming, and unconventionally attractive 17-year-old. She grew up as an independent foster kid with lots of confidence and wits. Then there's Abel, who is described as a hottie. He's also 17 years old, very much a loner, and quite intense. Already, the character description says that he might have something dangerous lurking inside of him, which makes us wonder if there will be a mystical element to Ravenswood. Apparently, just like Miranda, if you win over Abel, you've got a loyal friend who is there for you for life. Lastly, Olivia is actually Abel's twin sister. She's a former prom queen who just fell from grace. Perhaps that happened when the fatal curse hits the 5 people. And maybe these 3 characters are part of that cursed group. These are all just guesses right now, but we do know that Olivia is forced to start seeing the important things in life after her friends turn their backs on her. All right, so let us know which actors out there you'd like to see on each of these roles. Post your thoughts below and subscribe to Clevver TV right now for all of your Ravenswood updates. I'm Dana Ward here in Hollywood. Bye for now.